In a world where smartphones have become an integral part of our daily lives, choosing the right device can be quite challenging. The Samsung Galaxy A05s, a budget-friendly option that offers a range of features to cater the needs of different users. So in this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of the Samsung Galaxy A05s to help you decide if this smartphone is the right fit for you. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's start with the pros. Number one is a multiple rear camera options. The Samsung Galaxy A05s comes with a versatile rear camera setup. It boasts a multi-lens system, allowing users to capture stunning photos and videos from different perspectives. Whether you're into a photography or just want to document your daily life, this camera array has you covered. So number two is a large internal memory. The A05s provides space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. So you won't have to be worried about running out of storage space anytime soon, giving you the freedom to download and store as much content as you desire. So number three is expandable storage with external memory card. For those who crave even more storage space, the A05s offers expandable storage via microSD card slot. So this feature is a lifesaver for users who like to keep their favorite music, movies, or even files readily accessible. So let's go to number four, fast charging feature. So the Samsung Galaxy A05s comes with a fast charging features that juice up your device very quickly, ensuring you spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time using your smartphone. So last but not the least, number five is dedicated biometric sensor. So the A05s offers peace of mind with a dedicated biometric sensors with a fingerprint sensors located on your phone, unlocking your device for both secure and convenient. So now let's go to the cons. The number one that I don't like it is it doesn't have a 5G network. So one notable drawbacks of the Samsung Galaxy A05s is the lack of support for 5G connectivity. So if you're looking for a fast internet speeds and the future proofing that 5G offers, so this phone may not be the right choice for you. So number two is NFC features. NFC technology is becoming increasingly important for various mobile payment and connectivity options. Unfortunately, the A05s misses out on these features, limiting its compatibility with certain payments method and other NFC related applications. So next is low quality body material use. In an effort to keep costs down, the Samsung has to lower the quality materials in the constructions of the A05s. This results in a phone that may not feel as premium as some of its competitors in the same price range. Number four cons is small RAM capacity. While the A05s confers generous internal storage, its RAM capacity is relatively modest. This may lead to slower performance when running multiple apps simultaneously or handling more demanding tasks. So in conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A05s is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a range of features to suit to different users. Its multiple rear camera options, large internal memory, and fast charging features make it attractive choices for those on a budget. However, its lack of 5G support, NFC, lower quality body materials, small RAM capacity, and uses older Bluetooth version may be significant drawbacks for some potential buyers. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and priorities when it comes to a smartphone.